If you want to start a project and your lab is not listed in our lab directory, you can enter the measurements and settings manually. Start a new project and name it. Choose your page dimensions. I'll select 30 by 30 centimeters and a resolution of 254 dpi. Set your bleed area and safe area. For this project, I'll use 0.5 centimeters on all sides, but you can choose other measurements defined by the lab or equipment where the printing will be done. Choose between a double or single page layout. The double option creates pages in spreads, while single means you'll work with individual pages. You can also make your first and last pages single, which is great for covers or a special ending page. To avoid unwanted white borders, check the Stretch Photos to Edges option. You can also hide the bleed area to see how your project will look after it's cut. If you plan to reuse this setup, add it to your favorites. When you're ready, click Start and you're all set. For more details, watch our Advanced Project Creation tutorial.